I have a great quick tip for you today if you're deciding whether you should have a traditional cake or cupcakes. Always check with your venue first, because the reason different options like dessert buffets or cupcakes became popular in the first place was people were trying to avoid this cake cutting fee. And the cake cutting fee can vary depending on the venue that you choose, and some venues don't even offer the service, so that is something that you're going to want to check into. But a cake cutting fee can be on average anywhere from $1 to even $6 per person. Why do they charge this fee? It seems silly, I'm sure, at the beginning to think just to cut my cake. Well, it's not just to cut the cake. They have to have an additional plate. They might have a napkin, a fork, and then the servers to serve the cake. So there is more costs that go into cutting the cake than just literally cutting the cake. And so you want to consider that, but also some venues are now charging still for the service of providing the plate and the fork and the napkin and the server. So even if you tried to avoid the cake cutting fee by offering cupcakes or desserts, you still may incur this charge. So you want to check with your venue to see if there is a fee for serving the desserts as well. Happy planning, everyone.